My dear friends in Jesus Christ, while explaining about the Emmaus experience, the great Pope Saint John Paul II said, signs begin to speak. Signs are talking that the kingdom of God is with us. And in the Emmaus experience, we see that depressed with the present situation, the disciples of Jesus, they wanted to leave Jerusalem and they wanted to escape to Emmaus. And that is why they are moving away from the group of the disciples. And on the way, they were sad. They were sad and gloomy because all their dreams were shattered. And that is why their faces and their heads were completely down. They could not look at anyone. They were in complete, or they were in utter disappointment. And the scholars would say the journey to Emmaus is a symbolic one. It's a symbolic journey that everyone has to experience. And in this symbolic journey, or in this symbolic journey of life, there can be disappointments. There can be disillusions. There can be delusions in life. And there will be lot of perplexities in life. And among the anxieties in life, we could not recognize anything. We will not be able to recognize what is right and what is good for us. And even we will not be able to recognize what is the mission. And the Emmaus experience gives us hope. And in Emmaus experience, we receive encouragement. And we receive the togetherness of Jesus. The risen Lord is with us. And He is walking with us. And at times is guiding us. And what is our misfortune? We very often fail to recognize the presence of Jesus, the presence of the risen Lord with us. That is the greatest misfortune that can happen in our lives. And today, the gospel says we should recognize. How do we? And there are many stages in recognizing the Lord who is walking with us. If we are in despair, we should walk with the Lord and we should heed Him. We should look at Him and we should have the enthusiasm to know and to learn from the Lord. Then He would explain everything. He would explain the misfortunes in our lives, the hardships in our lives, and He will encourage us. And we see we have to be with Him for dinner. And He will do the same sign, the same gesture, that is breaking of the bread. And then we will be able to understand Him. We will be able to recognize Him. And in every altar, the bread is broken Every day, the Eucharistic bread is broken. Are we able to recognize Him in the Eucharist? That is the question. And that is the Emmaus experience we should possess in our lives. When the Eucharistic bread is broken, we must be able to recognize the risen Lord who is with us. Then, in all the disillusionments in our life, we will be able to make a journey towards heaven. And the journey will be successful if the Lord is there with us to accompany us.